All right, in this video we're going to talk about simplifying rational expressions, and I'm going to try and keep this as brief as possible so it's a quick reference that you can get to. So in this first example here, we see that we have all factors on the top, 38a squared, or a times a, and on the bottom we have 42a and b. And so all we need to do is simplify down the common factors that are on the top and on the bottom, because remember, we can only cancel out common factors. So we can see here that an A and an A can cancel out. In 38 and 42, we see that we can take out a 2. So divide both of these by 2, and you get 19 and 21. And so we're left with, on the top, 19A and 21B on the denominator. And we look and we see, okay, we can't really reduce that down anymore. In this second example here, we have x squared plus 4. And it's not a difference of squares, so we can't do anything with it. So what we need to do then is look at our denominator, and we see that we have x to the 4th minus 16, which is a difference of squares. So what we can say is x squared minus 4 times x squared plus 4. And once we do that, we see that we have x squared plus 4 and x squared plus 4, which can cancel each other out. So x squared plus 4 divided by x squared plus 4 is 1. So we're left with 1 over x squared minus 4. And some of you might notice that x squared minus 4 is also a difference of squares. So if you had it this way, it's not wrong either, because it says the same thing. Okay, finally, we have two trinomials, and so we can't just start canceling out by saying, well, x squared and 5x and a minus 5x and a minus 5x. You can't cancel out that way, because there's only factors that we can cancel out. So we actually need to factor this out. So we'll use our method here, taking the first and the third. So we're looking for factors of a positive 6x squared that'll give us a sum of negative 5x, which in this case, they both need to be negative, so negative 3x, negative 2x. So now we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. Pull out a 2x, we have x minus 1. Pull out a negative 3, and we're left with x minus 1. And then we have x minus 1 and 2x minus 3. Okay, so that's our numerator. X minus 1, 2x minus 3. And then we look at our denominator. We need to do the same thing, first and third. So we're looking for factors of 6 that will give us a negative 5, which is exactly the same. So then we can say 3x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 2. So we can pull out a 3x in the first. We're left with x minus 1. We can pull out a negative 2 in the second. We're left with x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 times 3x minus 2, which is our denominator. So we have x minus 1 and 3x minus 2. And then we see that we can cancel out our x minus 1s, and we're left with 2x minus 3 over 3x minus 2. And there's nothing more we can do with that, because those are factors that cannot be canceled down. So hopefully this video helped you. Go ahead and like it if it did, and you can check out some of the other videos that I have posted. Thanks for watching.